Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are fine. Today, let's answer the textual questions of the chapter, A Home for a Dinosaur. All of you, please take page number 22 in your English textbook. There you can see some questions. Here I have written the answers of those questions. I want you to write down these questions and answers in your notebook. Okay? And you should study these answers before our evening class. First question. How did Sam take the egg to school? Answer. Sam rolled the egg all the way to school. Second. Why did Clarence like living in the school? Answer. Clarence liked living in the school because the children played with him. Third question. How did the school playground become bare? Answer. The school playground became bare as Clarence had eaten every bit of greenery in the playground. Fourth. How did the city council people help Clarence? The city council people helped Clarence by making a home for him at the garbage dump. Fifth question. Why was everyone happy in the end? Everyone was happy in the end because the city became clean and Clarence had lots of food to eat. Okay? When I ask you these questions during our Google Meet session, you should be able to answer them. Okay? You need not by heart these answers. You can say it in your own words, no problem. Okay? Please write down these question answers in your notebook. We have already discussed these questions in the previous class. So I think I can read the answers quickly. See question. These pictures show something that happened in the story. Choose a sentence from the story that describes each picture. Write the sentence next to the picture. Here you can see some pictures. What we have to do? First of all, observe this picture and then choose a sentence from the story that describes these pictures. We have to take a sentence from the story which describes these pictures. Okay? What do you see in the first picture? The first picture you can see a truck and a box falling out of it. So, which is the sentence given in the story that describes this picture? The truck jolted over a bump in the road and a box fell out of it. Then look at the second picture. The second picture you can see the dinosaur named Clarence and the children playing with it. So, what is the sentence in the story that suits this picture? They climbed upon him and slid down his sides. You can write the answers in the blanks provided in your textbook. You see in the third picture, Clarence tasted the garbage and he smiled. Okay? Now let's move on to the next question. Discuss in class. There are some very unusual things in the story. Make a list of these and discuss in class. In our story title, A Home for a Dinosaur, we have seen many unusual things, many strange things. There are many strange things in this story. Please make a list of those unusual things. For example, the most unusual thing in the story is a dinosaur egg rolling out of a box on a truck. It is also very strange for a dinosaur to live in a school playground, and even stranger for it to be fond of garbage. Okay? You can write this answer in your notebook, and if you have got other points, then you can add your points to this answer. Okay? Then, next question. Word wise. Complete the words using letters from the box. Here in this box you can see some letters. And 6 incomplete words are given below. We need to complete these words. We need to fill in these blanks using the letters given in the box. All these words appear in our story. We can find these words in our story. Okay? So all these are familiar words. First one. Nibbled. N-I-B-B-L-E-D. Nibbled. Second one. Smashed. Smashed. Third one. Dosing. Dosing. Okay. I have answered the first 3. Now, please try to find out the rest 3 on your own. Next one. Complete this word puzzle using the clues. Here we have got a word puzzle. We need to fill in these blanks. We need to complete this puzzle using the clues given on the left side. Across and down. Across means nere. Down, tare. First one, across. We use this for writing. The first letter is P and the last letter is L. What do we use for writing? See, this is the thing. What is this? Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Then next. A place where we go to study and learn. 3 across. A word beginning with S. Where do we go to study and learn? School. S-C-H-O-O-L. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Then down. An outdoor space where children can play. A word beginning with P. An outdoor space where children can play. Playground. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Okay, I have given you the answers of 3 questions. I have answered 3. Now try to find out the rest on your own. We shall discuss the answers in the evening. Spell right. Say the word cube aloud. The long oo sound is spelled with a U in the middle and an E at the end. Fill in the blanks to complete the words. Children, just say the word cube aloud. In this word, we are producing the long oo sound. Cube, oob. Okay, the long oo sound is produced. And how is this oo sound produced? By writing U in the middle and E, the letter E at the end of this word. So, we can produce the long oo sound by writing the letter U in the middle of a word and by writing the letter E at the end of that same word. Similarly, we can complete these blanks using the letters U and E in order to produce the long oo sound. First one, B-L-B-L-U-E. Here we wrote the letter U in the middle of this word and E at the end of this word. Thus, we produce the long oo sound. Blue, oo. Long oo sound is produced using the letters U and E. The next, M-U-E. Mute. mute. Here again there is U at the middle of the word and E at the end of the word. Next, T-N-E, tune. T-U-N-E. The long oo sound is produced using the letters U and E. Next, tube. T-U-B-E. Then, glue. G-L-U-E. Cute. Q-U-T-E. I hope you understood this. Using the letters U and E by writing the letter U at the middle and E at the end of a word, you can produce a long oo sound. Next, understand grammar. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about nouns. We have already learned adjectives in our previous chapter. I hope you remember. I have given you a note on adjectives as well during our offline classes. So what do you mean by an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay? An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun. For example, words like beautiful, intelligent, clever, good, bad, little, short, tall, long. Should I say a sentence? For example, she is a clever girl. In the sentence, she is a clever girl. Which is adjective? Clever is the adjective. Then, Rahul is a smart boy. Which is adjective in that sentence? Smart. The words that describe a noun, words describing or modifying nouns are called as adjectives. Then, let's see the examples given in your textbook. The kind emperor rewarded the wise minister. The kind emperor, the word kind is used to describe the noun emperor. Similarly, the word wise is used to describe the minister. So, the words kind and wise are adjectives. Next, the fierce tiger chased the scared deer. Tiger and deer are nouns. Nouns are naming words. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea, etc. So, adjectives are words that describe nouns. Here the words fierce and scared are adjectives. Fill in the blanks with adjectives from the box that mean the same as the words in bold. Here in this box we can see some adjectives. Beautiful, damp, tiny, cheerful, clever, tidy. All these are examples for adjectives. Now, below we have got 6 sentences. And in these sentences, some words are given in bold letters. Which are the words given in bold? Neat, happy, pretty, wet, intelligent and small. We need to choose words from the box that mean the same as the words in bold. Okay? The words similar in meaning to these words should be written in these blanks. Words similar in meaning are called as synonyms. Paryaya padangal, synonyms. S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M-S. Synonyms. Words with the same meaning. The words given in bold are adjectives. We should write the synonyms of these adjectives in the blanks provided. First one, this is a neat room. It is dash. What is the synonym of neat? Tidy. Next, My mother is always happy. She is dash. Another word for happy? Cheerful. Next, the butterfly is a pretty insect. It is dash. Synonym of pretty. Beautiful. Next, this towel is wet. It is dash. The word similar in meaning to wet? Damp. D-A-M-P. Now write the answers of the rest two on your own. Next question, use grammar. Nidhi and Banu are twins. However, they are different from each other. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the underlined words. Read out the descriptions of the girls. A small passage is given below, and in this passage, some words are underlined. We need to write the opposites of these words in the blanks provided. What do we call the opposite words? Words opposite in meaning are called as antonyms. We have already learned it. Antonyms. Opposite words. A-N-T-O-N-Y-M-S. Antonyms. Antonyms word means words opposite in meaning. Okay. So, the words underlined are adjectives. We need to find the opposite of these. Fill in the blanks with adjectives from the box that mean the same as the words in bold. Here in this box we can see some adjectives. Beautiful, damp, tiny, cheerful, clever, tidy. All these are examples for adjectives. Now, below we have got 6 sentences. And in these sentences, some words are given in bold letters. Which are the words given in bold? Neat, happy, pretty, wet, intelligent and small. We need to choose words from the box that mean the same as the words in bold. Okay? The words similar in meaning to these words should be written in these blanks. Words similar in meaning are called as synonyms. Paryaya padangal, synonyms. S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M-S. Synonyms. Words with the same meaning. The words given in bold are adjectives. We should write the synonyms of these adjectives in the blanks provided. First one, this is a neat room. It is dash. What is the synonym of neat? Tidy. Next, my mother is always happy. She is dash. Another word for happy? Cheerful. Next, the butterfly is a pretty insect. It is dash. Synonym of pretty. Beautiful. Next, this towel is wet. It is dash. The word similar in meaning to wet? Damp. D-A-M-P. Now write the answers of the rest two on your own. Next question, use grammar. Nidhi and Banu are twins. However, they are different from each other. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the underlined words. Read out the descriptions of the girls. A small passage is given below, and in this passage, some words are underlined. We need to write the opposites of these words in the blanks provided. What do we call the opposite words? Words opposite in meaning are called as antonyms. We have already learned it. Antonyms. opposite words. A-N-T-O-N-Y-M-S. Antonyms. Antonyms word means words opposite in meaning. Okay, so the words underlined are adjectives. We need to find the opposite of these words. Let's read this passage. Nidhi finds maths easy, but Banu finds it dash. What is opposite of easy? Difficult. Difficult. Banu is very talkative while Nidhi is a dash child. What's opposite of talkative? Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Talkative means one who talks too much. One who talks a lot. ഒരുപാട് സംസാരിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടി. In Malayalam we say vayadi. Then Banu thinks that science is a dash subject, but Nidhi finds it boring. What is the antonym of boring? Boring opposite? Interesting. Interesting. Next. Nidhi likes to play indoor games while Banu likes dash games. Indoor opposite? Outdoor. Outdoor. Banu wears her watch on her left wrist. Nidhi wears it on her dash wrist. Left opposite? Right. Nidhi likes to drink cold milk while Banu likes to drink it dash. Cold. Antonym hot. See, the words which are underlined and the words we wrote in the blanks are all examples of adjectives. All these words are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Now let's move on to the next question. Work in pairs. Imagine that your friends who are similar as well as different from each other. Talk about yourselves. Use similar or opposite adjectives for each situation. Just think that you and your friend is having a conversation, a very short conversation. Let's read this. You, I have curly hair. Partner, I have wavy hair. Similar. Okay. See, which are the adjectives in these sentences? Curly and wavy. Curly and wavy are the adjectives. The words curly and wavy describe the noun hair. These curly and wavy are describing words. They are the adjectives. And both of the words mean the same. These words have the same meaning. Next. Partner, I have curly hair. You, I have straight hair. Again, curly and straight are the adjectives in these sentences. Then, these are opposite words, curly and straight. Their meanings are opposite. They are antonyms. Okay? Now, you have to frame similar sentences. Two sentences with adjectives same in meaning and two sentences with adjectives opposite in meaning to each other. I will give you an example. For example, for similar adjectives. You, I am cheerful. Partner, I am happy. Cheerful and happy are synonyms. They are same in meaning. They are similar in meaning. Okay? Then opposite words. You, I am tall. Partner, I am short. Which are the adjectives in these sentences? Tall and short are the adjectives. Cheerful and happy are the adjectives. So, try to write sentences of your own. Okay? Next question. Right well. Clarence had strange food habits. Make a list of all the things that you like Clarence might have liked to eat. So, the dinosaur in our story, Clarence, had strange food habits. Clarence enjoyed eating garbage. He enjoyed eating the waste. So just make a list of the things that Clarence might have liked to eat. What are the things that Clarence might have liked to eat? For example, Clarence might have liked to eat vegetable peels, dry leaves, etc. Vegetable peels. Vegetables peels means തോലി, പച്ചക്കറികളുടെയൊക്കെ തോലി. ഡ്രൈ ലീവ്സ്, ഉണങ്ങിയ ഇലകൾ, ഡ്രൈ ലീവ്സ്. Okay, you can add your own answer, your own points to this answer. Things like you can write some strange things like plastic cans, bottles, etc. You can add your own points. Okay, this is just a model. Then, next question. Sam was very happy and excited when he saw the dinosaur. He wrote to his cousin about it. Complete the letter. So, the boy in our story, Sam, was very happy. He was very much delighted and excited on seeing the dinosaur. Just imagine that Sam wrote a letter to his cousin telling about the dinosaur. Just help him to complete the letter. Dear John, I had such an exciting day at school. As I was walking to school in the morning, you can begin the letter in this way. Okay? So this is a model. Draw a box and write the answer inside the box. Dear John, I had such an exciting day at school. As I was walking to school in the morning, a truck passed by and a huge egg rolled out of it. The egg was as large as a football. I rolled the egg to school, and when I reached my classroom, the egg cracked. Can you guess what came out of it? It was a baby dinosaur. We have named it Clarence, and he's in the school playground. He seems to be quite friendly, and we look forward to having a good time with him. Why don't you come over and take a look at him? Reply soon. Your loving cousin, Sam. So, this is a letter written by Sam to his cousin. This is a model. You can either take down this letter in your notebook or you can write your own letter. Okay? Either write this letter in your notebook. If you want, you can add your own points or write the same answer. Okay.